Everyone. Today I am here to recite a poem about millets, penned none other than by Noel Chapomatia of class 12A. In fields of green where millets wave, a gift of nature they proudly display. Tiny grains with strength untold, in every bite a story unfolds. From sorghum to pearl and finger millet too, these ancient grains bring health anew. A treasure trove of nutrients they bear, with benefits beyond compare. Fiber-rich, they aid digestion's race, helping to maintain a steady pace. Blood sugar they keep in check, for those who seek a healthy trek. Protein-packed, they fuel the day, building muscles in a splendid way. Vitamins and minerals they provide, aiding growth and wellness side by side. Antioxidants protect from harm, free radicals they disarm. Hearty, healthy fats, omegas delight, millets keep your ticker speed just right. Gluten-free, a boon for many, celiac and gluten sensitivity if any. For those with allergies, I'll welcome call. Millets offer choice for one and all. They're eco-friendly, a sustainable source. With low water needs, they stay on course. In arid lands, they thrive and grow, helping farmers' livelihoods to bestow. So let's celebrate this green so divine, for in millets' goodness we all can shine. A testament to nature's wisdom and grace, millets are born to human race. Thank you.